Hello everyone, this is the New Horizons Institute of Technology, Durgapur, and this is the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. I am Arnab Mukhopadhyay, the head of the department, and with me here is Mrs. Orpita Ghosh, technical assistant. Today we will demonstrate an experiment of the lab microcontroller and embedded system. So, first of all, we will show you the apparatus, the connection. After that, we will explain the programming. After that, we will show how to execute the programming and how to check out the results. So today, the aim of the experiment is to add two 8-bit numbers using the assembly language programming of 8051 microcontroller. To perform the experiment, we will use this kit. So this is a kit which we will use for our experiment. This kit has two sections. First of all, this entire board is called the motherboard, which consists of different ICs starting from RAM to peripheral devices. We can make different connections using the FRC ports. It has the battery for the RAM, and it has the another board which is called the piggyback board, which is at the rear end, and this board consists the microcontroller. So this IC is the microcontroller IC, and this board is called the microcontrolling unit, MCU. So this board is the motherboard and our piggyback board is the MCU. Using this kit, we will process the program and we will see the results. We have connected a PCAT keyboard with this board, and to supply power to this board, we are using a power supply. So this is the program that we will execute today. So in this program, you can see we are storing a data 22H in the register A of 8051 microcontroller. So we have given the instruction for that, MOV A, hash 22H. We have given a hash as it is a data. So you can see that the data 22H is getting stored in the register A. After that, we are storing another data 33H in register B. So the instruction is MOV B, hash 33H, and you can see that the 33H will be stored in register B. After that, we are performing the addition. We are giving the instruction ADD, A, B. So this instruction will add the content of A with the content of B, and the result will be stored in the register A. So as the data are very small, we can see that 33 plus 22 will be equal to 55, and 55 will be stored in register A. Okay, now we will store our result in another register. Okay, so we are storing the result of addition in register R0, which is one of the working register of 8051 microcontroller. So we have given the instruction MOV R0, A. So the content of A, that is 55, will be transferred to R0. So we will have the data, the result of addition 55 in register R0, and RET means this will stop. This is the halt, end or stop instruction for this entire program. So we will execute this program in our apparatus or kit, and for performing the program we have different steps. We have to follow different steps to to execute this assembly language program. So Mrs. Orpita Ghosh will demonstrate how to execute the program and how to check the results, whether the results are there in our respected registers or not. So
So students, to execute this program, we have to follow some steps which will be used only for this 8051 microcontroller kit. See, these are the steps which we are going to use in this kit for the execution of addition of two 8-bit number using 8051 microcontroller kit. So students, see, I am giving the input on the keyboard. You please see on the display. First of all, we will press E. It is come as expand. Then we will press enter key through the keyboard. Here comes line assembler and disassembler. Then we will press the key A. Again enter key. Now you can see the code in which we should type the program. Now see, we will type the program. This is the register A which we are taking, and the data which we will save on the register A is #22H. Again, see students, the first line in the program, that is move A, #22. That means we are storing the data 22 on the register A. Next, in the second line, we are storing the data 33 on the register B. So students, now we are going to execute the program. Please see on the display, we are doing the steps. So first of all, we have to press E. See, expands come on the display. Then we have to press enter key through the keyboard. See, line assembler and disassembler comes in the display. Then we have to press the key A and give enter key. Now we will start to write our program for the addition of two 8-bit numbers. So we are taking the data 22 on register A, giving enter. Now in the second line, instead of using register B, we will use F0, as in this microcontroller key the address of register B is F0. We are storing the data 33 on F0. Then we will add the two numbers. And we will store the result on R0. Then return. Now for the execution of the program, we are first of all pressing Q and then G. Here commands come and then we have to press G. See, go to, then address come, in which we have to give the address of 6000. Now the execution of the program is done. We will now substitute to see the result. For that we have to press S. See, substitute comes here. We are giving enter key. We will not enter to the external memory, so we are skipping the external memory using any other key in the keyboard. Now here register come. We will enter. Now general, we will again press enter key, and the name will of the register will come with their data. See here A, in register A, the data is 55. That means we have add 22 and 33, and the result is stored on register A, that is 55. You can see in B, that means in F0, the data which we have stored already, that is shown in here, is 33. Now again see, we will again press the enter key. We will again substitute the result in another way. We have pressed given again S and substitute has came. Then we will enter key. External memory we will not go into it. So we are skipping this external memory. Now register came. We are pressing the enter key, and we will skip the general and go to the register band. We are skipping the general using the any other key, and we are going to band. Now see, while pressing the enter key, the result in R0 is showing as 55. That means we have moved the result from the register A to the register R0. So students, in this experiment we have performed the addition of two 8-bit number using the assembly language of 8051 microcontroller, and in this program we can also change the data and the register accordingly. So you can change the data, register, and the result will vary accordingly. So thank you for today.